Hi, good morning. So this is Vlogtober 5. Yes, it is Friday and I'm feeling a little extra today, so I'm gonna do my makeup. Yeah, which I don't usually do on a work day, no work week. So yeah, I'm going to do it. So napagawin ako kanina ng tinted sunscreen that will serve as my base or primer, ganyan, para mag-prime. So this is my foundation. It's Avon. It's from Avon. True Color Flawless Liquid Foundation. So this is more of my shade, I guess. Yan. Para walang sagatan. So this is more of my color and my complexion. I think. And it's a liquid foundation. Wala akong brush or anything to apply this, so I'll just gonna apply this with my hand. Diba? Okay na. I'm going to use this one. Naka-light pink. Naka-light pink or peach ba yan? So, bahala na ako anong look nun yan. Then next is the eyeliner. Next is powder. And next is the cheek tint. So wala akong blush on. Cheek tint lang ako lagi. And then lipstick. Pink. Wala akong nakalimutan gawin, and that is the mascara. This is only a clear mascara. So ayan, pwede na. Okay. So, gusto kong magkilay today. Kilay pa pala. Oh my gosh. Ayan, pwede na. Hindi naman nakapunta yung kilay ko. Okay, so this is my look outside. And I think I did pretty well. Ooh. Yeah, I'm feeling myself today. Now I'm heading to work. And see you soon. So now, I'm already at home at nakapag-visit na rin ako. Actually, kanina pa, it's 11 na. Hindi lang ako nag-vlog kasi nag-edit ako. And right now, it's, rendering. Ano ba na? Nag-encode na siya. So, as you can see, nangyari sa makeup ko kasi kinamot ko yung mata ko kanina. Pagdating ko. So, ayan, ang ganyan na nangyari. Sabi ni Samo, para daw may bumugbog sa akin. Nakakaloka. Ayan. So, ngayon, nag-edit ako and i-upload ko lang to for, Vlogtober 4. Today, habang naghihintay akong ma-encode to MP4, ano ba gagawin ko? Lalagay ako ng DIY face mask. And I'll show to you how I do it. This is turmeric face mask. So it's natural and it's DIY. Slightly waste-free. And yeah. Ayan. So I'll show you. So wala akong makeup remover. Wala akong kahit ano lang, ang meron lang tayo is itong cotton balls and argan oil lang yung pang gagawin kong pang tanggal ng makeup ko. Yes, and now I think I am makeup free. Yeah, that's all of me. Yan, I will wash my face na lang. And then I can show you this turmeric face mask. Okay, so for the turmeric face mask, of course, I need a turmeric powder. Yan, mabibili nyo siya sa mga groceries. Yung tansyahin nyo lang kung gaano kadami yung gusto nyo for your face. And this is good enough. And then, wow, ang hirap mag-vlog. And then, milk. I want it to be like really dry. So, konti lang ilalagay ko. Ayan. Ganyan lang siguro. And then, dadagdagan ko nitong baking soda na nakalagay sa palaman. Ayan. Tapos, i-mix ko lang siya. And then, I'll just mix it. So, para na siyang paste. And, yeah, this is good enough for your face, I guess. So, this is just my recipe. Yung iba, ginagdagan nyo ng flour, ng honey, ng lemon. Pwede rin. Wait. I'll just check if I still have both. Sige. Okay na siguro ito. Hindi ko nalalagyan ng lemon. Ayan. And then, we're going to put this on our face. Ayan, so nagdagay na rin tayo ng headband para walang mga buhok-buhok bangs dyan na sobra. So I'm just going to put it. So now it's been 30 minutes since I put this on, and it's really dry now, so I'm just going to wash it away with water. Okay, so now I washed already with water, and I'm just cleaning the water now with this towel. I feel so good. My face feels so clean. Ayan. Yeah, I think mas naglow yung face ko after putting the turmeric mask. And it feels smoother too, actually. Yeah. So, sabi nila, it's not advisable to do this mask every day. Siguro, every other day pwede. Pero, I've seen people doing this like, parang 5 days straight. So, may mga vloggers akong nakita. And, trinay ko rin siya, pero hindi ako umabot ng 5 days. 3 days straight lang, and then laktaw, ganon. And, parang mas maganda yung effect niya kapag straight na araw mo siyang ginamit. Kasi, may mga pimples ako dito, naglagay ako before. And, after 3 days ko na po nalagay, unti-unti siya nawala. As in, actually, hindi nga after 3 days lang. Parang, parang hindi na wala pa yung marks, pero kumbaga wala na nung umbok yung parang siguro dahil nga dahil sa texture ng turmeric, and spice niya. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ako beauty expert. So, talaga nag-research lang ako ng mga DIY face mask and Kemerut. Kasi I don't want to spend on those things na. And, ayun. Ayoko rin bumili ng ganun na kasi it's plastic. Although yung nose pack nga, medyo guilty pleasure ko siya. Nose pack. But ayun, the turmeric face mask is good. And yeah, I'm just waiting for my YouTube Vlogtober 4 to be uploaded. And I'll sleep na after that.